In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily archive Reels on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, just search for a reel you would like to archive. You can tap at the Reels tab to sort all your content by Reels, and then once you find one, just open it up and then tap at three dots, then tap at Manage and then Archive. If you would like to archive your reel from here, you can open it up in that way, tap three dots and then tap Archive. What that will do, that will immediately archive your reel, and then you will be able to find all your archived reels, posts, stories and lives. To do that, tap at three lines, tap at Archive. That's where you can find all your archived content, and at the very top you can sort that content by stories, posts and lives. That's how you can easily archive Reels on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.